In this video, we are going to talk about how to use the word enough. So, if you need to have this level of something or this amount of something, but you only have this level, you don't have enough. You need more. But if you need this level and you have this level, you have enough. Enough means the appropriate amount, the correct amount. We are not sad with this amount. We do not feel bad with this amount. We are happy with this amount. So, for example, maybe someone is giving you food. They're putting the food on your plate and they ask you, is that enough? Is that enough means, are you happy with that amount? Or would you like some more? And if you say, oh, that's enough means this amount is good. I do not need more. I am happy with this amount. So again, imagine that you're at someone's house for dinner. They're giving you food. They say, is that enough? You can answer, yes, that's enough. Thank you. That's fine. Thank you. That's enough. Or you could say, actually, could I have a little bit more, please? I would like a little bit more. Thank you very much. Then they give you a little bit more and they say, how about that? Is that enough now? And you think, yeah, that's enough. Thank you. So enough means that we are happy with the level, happy with the amount. If it's not enough means that we need more. We want more. And when we use enough, we can use it with nouns and we can use it with adjectives. When we use it with a noun, we put the noun after enough. So, for example, enough food, enough water, enough time. We have to leave soon. We're going to be late. We don't have enough time. Or, we just went shopping yesterday, so we have enough food for the party. We have enough food, but we don't have enough time. So enough, noun. And when you use an adjective, we put the adjective before enough. For example, this home is not big enough. I want a bigger home. I'm not tall enough to play basketball. If I want to play basketball, I need to be taller. Or, if someone cooks food for you, maybe they ask you, is it spicy enough? Because they know that you like spicy food. So you taste it and you think, oh, I usually like this level of spicy, and this food is this level of spicy. You can say, yes, it is spicy enough. Thank you very much. It's spicy enough. So enough means good, okay level. Not enough means below the level, below the amount that you want.